What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chris NYC. We're back with another video, guys. Now today, guys, like I mentioned in my last video of the update on the ScatPack, or aka Bloody Scat, we got some couple of mods getting installed today. Now I'm not gonna show you till everything is installed, so I'm just gonna show you some of the clips right now and show you what the car is looking like. And I'm also gonna show you one of my guys that's working on the car. He got a Daytona and that thing is clean, guys. As you guys can see, we got the wheels off. Man, check out the Bloody Scat, looking crazy, yo. Super dirty. She needs a cleanup, man. Powered by SRT. A lot of people say this is not a SRT. Well, on the 2019, it is a little different, man. So yeah, check out the wheels. I need to clean the inside. Look how dirty that shit is. Jeez. Dirty, filthy. Anybody know in Dallas where I could get these painted, let me know. I would appreciate that. But check out my guy's Daytona 6.4. Shit is crispy clean. So he did a lot of updates on that. As you can see, the snorkel is powder coated red. You do got the dial dynamics color daytime running lights. You guys can see that carbon fiber splitter looking crispy, even to the thing up here. See that, guys? Clean. That's real carbon fiber too, not that BS. I like these wheels on this thing, man. Looks real good. 6-piston Brembos. I see you, bro. You also got that adaptive cruise control. I like that. Check him out, guys. Young and broke. That's his car club. You know he got that Hemi on that thing. Yes, sir. Told you guys this shit was clean. Check out the inside Daytona. Yeah, but he got the sunroof thing with the matte satin top on that thing. Give him an follow on the IG, man. Check him out. Triple D Hemi. The triple stands for, the triple D stands for Dallas. It's a Dallas thing, Dallas, Texas thing. So, yeah, check him out. He also got that carbon fiber tail light thing going on. Even to the wicker bell, you see that, guys? Clean. Even to the diffuser, man. Come on, look at that. It's kind of dirty right now, but you guys see it. Even to the rear spat. Mickey Thompson on that thing. Yes, sir. 275s. I need to get me some of these right here. Yes, sir. Let's go check out Bloody Scat, though. Ain't nothing look good. Oh yeah, guys, I added some decals. That way people can follow me real easily, find me real easily when I go to these car meets. Yes, sir. The car is getting worked on, guys. I ain't gonna go around because that's where my guy is working on the car. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you once some of the things are getting done. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. But yeah, guys, we took off the front bumper. As you can see, ScatPack. Focus, focus. There you go. Looking good. I'm telling you, man, I love these little things up here. But check what we got here, guys. We got a Dodge Viper GTS. Thing is clean. Kind of want to steal his rims. Look at them things, looking good. GTS. Thing is crazy. Yes, sir. More part, no car, baby. Man, check out the Viper GTS and shit. How looking clean. Guys, the car just got done with the mods, man. Whew, that thing looks insane, guys. Can't wait for you guys to see it. It's getting the car washed right now. You can hear it from the background. It's getting washed. Man, I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be epic. And now, of course, I still got more mods at the house, or more parts at the house. So it's still not finished, guys. With some of the parts that I got at the house, that's gonna be installed around the end of the year, beginning of the year. So it should be ready with all the package I got at the house by the beginning of the year, close to the end of the first week of the year. But yeah, guys, when it gets done washed, I'm gonna show you guys the final touches that I did on the ScatPack, aka Bloody Scat. So yeah, stay tuned on that, guys. All right, guys, the car is finished. Just got done washing now, guys. Ready to see what is done to the car. Let's check it out. Damn. So I went with the Canards from King's Wrap. Shout outs to them. Damn, that thing looking good though, man. Check it out. Jeez. Shout out to my guy for washing the car, and then shout out to my guy Daniel. And that's his car right there. Check that thing out though, man. Damn, guys, I want you guys to hit the comment section. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, man. Your boy is grinding. Not really, but you know, we're grinding still. Hustle, motivation. Make sure you give me a follow on the IG and Twitter, and download that Park Up Front app. Decided to go with the mud guard back here. As you can see, how can I walk past the side skirt though? All of this, guys, from King's Wrap. So make sure you check them out. Check them out on the IG website. And like I was mentioning, guys, I still got more mods coming, man. More packages are at the house. Just waiting on my boy Cedric, that's gonna put things together. And this thing is gonna be menacing, guys. Damn, they let that thing sparkling. Jeez. Yes, sir. Little thumbnail action. Damn. Damn, what you guys think? Yeah, I think that was a good idea, man. I was undecisive of getting the Canards and all that, but I think it came out great, guys. What do you think, man? Jeez, man, that thing is dope, man. I really like these mud guards with the red strip back there. I had the ones for the front, but I don't know, man. They go in the front, and I didn't like how they actually were gonna look. They were actually, they're mud guards, but I don't know why they would make them for that. It should have been over here. So that's why I left that alone. Just decided to do the ones in the back. Yeah, that thing is menacing, guys. Jeez, that thing is crazy. You hear that thing? Man, you guys hear that thing? Carbon exhaust. Jeez. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get a couple of rolling shots, man, just to see how it looks when it's rolling by. So yeah, guys, stay tuned on that. I'm gonna let my boy over there do the driving for me. Yeah, let's check it out. all good. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for the video, man. Please subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure you hit that comment section, man. It means a lot because it lets me know what you guys think of the video and what you guys think of the car. And like I said, plenty more mods coming in, man. So stay tuned. And yeah, your boy's out. Peace.